the Bhujangasana normally.
Push here.
Till navel, okay? This navel part. We'll be doing. But the way we do is like a snake, you should come up. Snake doesn't come like, it doesn't come like, right? Snake should come. That is the Bhujangasana. So then you should feel that. Right? This is, can you do that? No, till the navel. Navel should touch the floor.
Yeah.
Till that navel.
More.
Yes. Then only you will feel that pressure here. That pull. No, that is not Bhujangasana. The one you did was Sarpasana. Yeah, that is Sarpasana.
Same family.
The same family.
No, not
Yeah.
really here.
Sarpa is different from Bhujanga. So this is Bhujangasana. That is called Sarpasana.
How long do you should do?
See, as per yoga, you can hold it as long as you don't feel pain. That is the yoga standard.
Always smile.
Always smile. Okay? Okay? You know what do you mean by constipated smile? You know that?
Yeah, we remember that.
We remember. Air hostess, when they come, air hostess.
Yeah.
This all, made of like cosmetic smiles. So, these are, and some people say, in the workplace, whenever you come across, 1 second they say, so this is called a constipated smile. You know the credit card smile, everybody knows, right? Credit card. You know that? You don't know? Credit card bill. When the credit card bill comes, you take that in one hand and say, so that is called credit card smile. So don't feel stressed for anything. So as soon as you get the bill, big bill, you say,
Should be great report smile.
yeah, great reports. Then you say C minus.
I'll do that, Nandi. I'll do that.
Yeah, like giving some boost for the children.
The copy? Oh, yes. Is it digital? Yes.
Okay. So on parenting, there are a lot of things to cover. I hope you don't mind. Sorry, I lost track of time. Totally.
Fine.
Okay. So if you have more time, see, I can extend 1 more hour or 1.5 hours more. Because there are a lot to cover. We have mudras to cover. We have a lot of techniques and cleaning techniques, cleaning tools, 7 tools. Yeah, those are very important. I'll first, as soon as after this lunch,
Yes.
I'll cover those cleaning techniques and mudra science. Then go with others.
Meditation.
And meditation is one of the cleaning techniques. As part of cleaning techniques, I use. Meditation is the crucial part. Actually, I wanted to end with meditation, but because of the time constraint, first we have lunch, and then go with other things.
But can you do all the mudras and asanas after lunch?
After, not asanas, cleaning techniques.